Hello and welcome back to the Puyallup Post. It's starting to be around spring now, so we decided to go up to the Little Mashel Falls River Waterfall Trail. The trails are really beautiful. There's 3 waterfalls there and they kind of get bigger as you go on. It's honestly a lot of fun, so enjoy. The trail starts off as mostly a gravel path, and then as you start walking more, you eventually get to a climb. So that is the first waterfall, but the second waterfall is definitely my favorite.
When I was a kid, was that I was a part of a circus. And I know, it sounds absolutely ridiculous right off the start, right? But then, I was like not human size. I was like the size of an ant.
Oh.
And then the elephants stepped on me.
Dang, that's rough. I hate when that happens.
Once we had finished the second waterfall, the third waterfall actually proved pretty difficult to find. We'd been wandering around for a bit and then realized that we'd passed it. Eventually we did find the waterfall.
We came from there, but we can't find the upper one. I know there's 3.
Yeah, if you find the lower one and keep going, you'll get
The upper falls ended up being inaccessible because of rain and mud, but we did get to see it from afar. So as you can see, the Mashel River Waterfalls Trail is a lot of fun. Some things to keep in mind is just the weather. We weren't able to access the upper falls because it was a bit too rainy, but at the same time the rain will make the waterfalls bigger, so if you want a really big waterfall, then that's a great time to go. And if you don't mind getting wet, you can actually go under the waterfall, the second one, as you saw. We found the trail on all trails and used the Smallwood Park entrance. From the Smallwood Park entrance, say that's about 4.6 miles. We probably ended up walking more than that, especially because we had a hard time finding the upper falls. So we probably spent a bit more time out there. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video, and if you like the trail, go check it out.